Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. And as you see here, what the Bitcoin is doing here in that place. As we tell you yesterday in the last video, that candle here when it's finished, we tell you all those things. And you can even go back and watch our analysis here. What else we said. So for long term, guys, they say it came very good news today. Started this guys, we are very close to the bottom, guys. We are very close. We never been very close that much. Started this guys, you don't know when that bus it will start going up. And here technical analysis, what else we said when the weekly candle finished, we say this here, we said we got here an inside bar and forget about all the others, guys, because majority of other analysis I saw in YouTube, no one of them he knew what he talking about. All of them they put in here triangles and those things, all that it's not working, guys. It's need either to break here the top here for you to enter long, or to break here down for you to enter short, guys. Here in that place also we're going to stay sideways. We don't know till when, and no one know till when, guys. Everything is too clear? By the way, Yes, you, my friend, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Also, every day we put in for you 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. Every day, 2 videos analyzing the Bitcoin. So like that, you're going to be very well updated about what the Bitcoin doing right now. Or you can even join us in Telegram, guys. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. So like that, you're going to be notified more quicker than here in YouTube. You done it? Welcome to the family. Now let me show you the news which came today, what it meant to the market, guys. That the news, guys. The news it's saying here, the president of Salvador, that Bukhari, or I don't know what his name, is saying El Salvador, they are going to start buying Bitcoin every day from tomorrow. You know what that means or not? It's a country. They are going to buy Bitcoin every day from tomorrow. Us today, we are Thursday. From tomorrow is Friday, they are going to start buying Bitcoin, guys. It's a long topic here. I don't want to read it long as you see it. That his tweet today, Nayib Bukele, he said we are buying 1 Bitcoin every day starting from tomorrow. And as you see here, he write it in 17 November. That meant today, 2022. Exactly today, that the tweet of today, guys, as you see it. So that one is a very good news for Bitcoin, guys, because those ones is a country and they are going to, and well, he said something here about FTX. That's what Michael Saylor he said yesterday. He said FTX is the opposite of Bitcoin, and he was 100% Bitcoin. It came for against centralized and to be everything decentralized, no one controlling. And Bitcoin protocol was created precisely to prevent Ponzi schemes, bank run, and blah and those things. So that's what he's saying here. I think the picture is too clear for you guys. So that one is a very good news, and that's what me I told you guys started they say. So here we finish it from that one. Let's going back now to see our indicator, what it's saying, for the picture to be more clear to you guys. Our indicator, that one, we tell you we got here a divergence like that. We show it to you in the last videos, guys, here. And we told you the only price action we got here is that inside bar here. Till now us we haven't break it, and for us to enter along the market it need to come out to break for us here exactly. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. Remember that? Yes, our indicator is here at the oversold area, but not yet. Everything is too clear, guys. By the way, I know you are a subscriber, my friend. Did you smash the like button? Helping us, please. Smashing the like button, writing down a comment. It's not something hard. It will take you just 1 second. Pause the video now, smashing that thumbs up, writing down a comment, helping us, guys. I saw you those days, you don't write in any comment for us. It's only 2 or 3 people. So please write in down comments, guys, because even those comments, they telling YouTube algorithm also exist in here. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend, and I appreciate all the help I get from you guys. Now let's go into the 4 hours to see what is it there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours. Here in the 4 hours, some people I saw them, they make it like that. Some of them, they make it like that. Yes, that one is a wage, but It doesn't mean when it's going to break here, it's need to enter long, and it doesn't mean when it's breaking down, you need to enter short. No, my friend. All that is wrong. As we said in the last video, we got two levels. That the supply and demand zone, and over here down, we got another one. If the market doesn't break one here, that one up, or that one down, as we still sideways, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Plus, if you using the Bollinger Band, now you're going to find it do it like that, guys. Very, very, very dry like that. Like that, exactly do it. What that mean, guys, for Bollinger Band? The volume is dry, and look at it down. Look here, it's telling you there is no volume here. And that's what I told in the last video. I told the people they started losing the hope, and that's something very, 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 very good, guys. Actually, I got one friend of me. I know that one is going to be out of trading style, but one friend of me, he invested in Bitcoin a lot. You know what he using to invest in Bitcoin? He using Google Trend. That's it. He doesn't watch chart. He doesn't watch nothing. Just Google Trend. That friend of me, when he saw Google Trend is high here, man, a lot of people is searching for Bitcoin, he started selling. When he saw the Google Trend is very low, people they don't search anymore for Bitcoin, he started buying. And the same thing now it's happening to the Bitcoin, guys. Now, if you go into Google Trend, you're going to find it very, 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 very low, guys. And at the right time, guys, to start it, they say. For swing trading, it's not it, guys. It needs to break here. Now, me, I'm talking here about the difference between traders and investors. For investors, it needs to break here. If it doesn't, there is no entry, guys. Everything is too clear here. And in our chart here, what we got? We got those ones, that the level here, it hasn't been broke. And in the top, we got here, that level, it doesn't been broke. And also here, we still down, then a downtrend. So the Bitcoin, it needs to come at least to break the downtrend. There is not, because here, if you are like those people, what they saying, if you bring here a wage like that, and you said the Bitcoin is going to break here. If it's breaking here, it will go just to here, and maybe you're going to see it falling. Then it's going to give you here a fake breakout, guys. That's what me I told you. It's not yet. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into our indicators. What they say for picture to be more clear to you. That one here, yesterday we said we got here a trend line like that. That's what also we said. As you see it, it touched here. Now we are in that trend. He couldn't give us another high. That's when if the trend to continue up, it needs to give you another high. Now let's wait if it's going to give us here another high or no. That's another high from here, from that place where we are, to go up, to break here that level we got here in the middle. Yes or no? But now what it's showing? It's showing it's falling, guys. Yes or no? And who controlling here in that level? Is the bears. Yes or no? In the daily, who controlling? Is the bears. So now what you should looking for buy or sell? Of course, only short. I'm talking here about scalpers and day traders and swing traders. You get the picture or no? Also, we are in a downtrend. We are not in an uptrend. You need to make that in your brain. Everything is too clear, guys? Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, as you see it, is it at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger level. Did we got any price action here indicating for us we need to enter long? Some people, they are going to tell me we got here a wage. No, that one, as I told you, no. It need to give us here at least like that triple bottom like that, or a double bottom to break for us that level here. If it doesn't break that level here, there is no entry, guys. Why? Because that level, look at it. Forget about the past, everything, look here. What it's showing to you, that level. Also, we said it needs to be broken for us to think it off to enter long. What it's showing to you is a very stronger supply and demand, guys. Look at it. Yes or no? Yes, you can enter from here to here, maybe. But for you to enter long till maybe here or something, it needs that level to be broke. Everything is too clear, guys? Now, let's go into 30 minutes to see what is it there for picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. In 30 minutes, the last video, what me I told you here. I remember it very, very well. What me I told you here in 30 minutes. I told you if a candle came and break in here, you enter long. Did a candle break? Yes, that one. Should you enter now long? Look at that candle which is going now, what it did. It fell down again. But if you being just waiting a candle, that green candle will have you enter. Stop loss, you need to put it down here. That's it. You get what I'm saying or no? Now you need to be in that market. Why? Because the price action, it's made. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's showing to you here? It's showing to you also we are here at the oversold area. Price action, we got one. That one, it came and breaking here, that level. I told you need to be in stop loss. You put it below that level here. Below that peak here. Why? Because our indicator is at the oversold area. You got a price action, it's made. So you need to enter long. That's it. Look at it. That's the price action, guys. You got here a downtrend. Look at it here. Here. It's 3 times it's being touched. Over here, it's being broken. but in that 200 moving average it showed there a very big rejection as you see. But you, before even that 30 minute came, you would have been in, and you need to put the stop loss in a place if it's being hitted. That's a part of the game. Everything is too clear, guys? So now we're going to come back to you when the daily candle finished, guys, and helping us please smashing the like button, writing down a comment. So see you in another video, guys. Bye for now.